welcome to our channel YouTube Unique Stars. So friends, today we will learn short trick of multiplication. So friends, in the last video we have learned the Japanese trick of multiplication. But in this video we will learn about bow tie method of multiplication. It will be very simpler than we usually do in our multiplication. So let's start our video. It is also called as a bow tie method. So let us take an example so that we can understand it more clearly. Okay. So 24 multiplied by 36. So friends, this is our first example. So in this, what we will do, we will draw some lines. First we will do like this. This is our first line. We will multiply this. Okay. Then we will go on to this one like this. Then we will not multiply this one, we will add this both. Okay, what will be the product? We will add both. Okay, then next is same as it is like this one. Okay, so what is this? It is a bow method, which I have already told you. See, like this, it is a bow tie method. Huh? So let us start with our first example. So first I will write 24 multiplied by 36. So what here I will do like this. Okay, so first like this, down or up, then like this, and then like this, and then like this, down or up. It will be the same. Okay, so 6 4s are 24. So I will give 2 here carry and I will write 4. Okay, here 4 is coming. Okay, now then here I have done 6 4s are 24. I have given the carry. Okay, then next 6 2s are 12. So I will write, I have to add this both, right? And this will be the carry over here. So 3 4s are 12. So then I will add these. Okay, what will be the answer? 2 and 2 6. Okay, and here 2 26. My answer. Okay friends, so I have written, so 2 I will give the carry and then I will write 6. Okay, then next I will do multiply these numbers. Okay, so what will be the answer? 3 2 are 6, 7 and 8. See, I have got 6 and this 2. So I will get my answer 8. So I have got my answer 864. So how can I prove that it is correct? So I will recheck it. Okay, I will do normal multiplication. How what we have done we do usually. So here I will do it. 24 multiplied by 36. Okay friends. So 24, 2 and 4. 6 2s are 12, okay, and 14. I will not give you a carry, okay. Then next, I will write like this. I have done 6 1, now I will do 3. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 7, okay. So 4, 6 and 8. So friends, yes, our answer is correct. So let's take another example so that we will understand more clearly. Okay, so let's take another example. Okay, now I hope you have understood this one, but let's take another example so that you may get more clearly. Okay, so our next example is 34 multiplied by 63. So we will do the same method we did in the last sum. Okay, like this only. 1 2 3 and 4. What will this form? You already know, x and 1. This is a bow tie. So let's solve this. 34 multiplied by 63. Okay friends, so now I will solve this. 3 4s. What I will do, like this, then like this, like this. Okay friends, this method I have told you in the before some, but you will understand more clearly. And now let's solve it. 12. 4 3s are 12. Okay. So I will give the carry 12. Okay. 1. My carry. Okay. 3 3s are 9. And 6 4s are 24. Okay. 9 plus 1, 10. And here 4. So I will give 14, and now here I will get 3. Okay, now 3 is my carry, and I will write 4. Okay, then 6 1 is 6. 6 3s are 18. 1, 18. I have got 8. So here I will add this. Here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have got my answer 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 2. Okay, friends. So let me check this also. 4 3s are 12. I have done like this. 3 3s are 9. I am recalling you. 3 3s are 9, and then 6 4s are 24. Then I have added this. Okay. Then I have written 4, and then here carry 1, and then what I have done? I have done 6 3s are 6 100 6 6 12. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 90 20. Okay, friends. So here my answer is 2 1 4 2, friends. So this is the correct method. So let us check this. Okay, 34 multiplied by 63. Okay, friends. So I will make my method like this. We usually do like this, but after seeing this method, you will do like this only, because it is a very simple method and you will be able to do it more clearly. Okay, so 12. Then 3 3s are 9 and 10. Next. (24) 21. 2 4 2 4 1 2. Okay, so friends, this is our answer. It's also correct. So let's go on. Okay, let's go on to our next example. So friends, this is of 2 digit, but after in my next video, I will give you all 3 digit also. So it will be very nice. So let's move on to our next example, and that is 64. 64 multiplied by 78. Okay, friends, we will do like that only. That is a bow tie method. Okay, so now I will take my next. I will solve it. 64 multiplied by 78. I will do like this only, bow tie method, like this, up or down, it will be same. Okay, okay, friends, so up or down it will be same. Okay, so try to do it more fast so that you may understand it more clearly at the first time, but when you move on further, you may try it closely. Okay, so 24, I will write 2 and my 4 here. Then 6 8s are 48, and 7 4s are 28. So here what will get our answer? 8 1 8 is 16. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 we are getting in this both. Okay, now we will do this also. This 6 and 7, we will put 8, and sorry, it is our carry. So 6 7s are 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. So I will add 42 in this. So I will get 49. So friends, I have got my answer 4984. So let us check this. 64 and 78. Okay, friends, 8 1s are 8, 8 was 3, and 8 4s are 32. Then we will do this like this also. 8 6 are 48. 48. Okay, I have given 4 carry here. Okay, then 7 4s are 28. 7 7 7 to the 40, 7 4 are 28. Then 7 6 are 42, 43, 44. Okay friends, 16. Okay friends, so friends, yes, I have got my answer. It is the correct answer. So friends, I hope you have understood it very clearly. You will apply this trick on your exams. So friends, I hope you have liked this video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please reach us till 10 million subscribers and make our family. Until then, bye friends.